ask you, why did you spend this much money on the credit card? Why did you do this? Why did you do that? Well, I was feeling really mad that day and I didn't want to go off on you or yell at you or da 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 da. So I just did some retail therapy with your credit card. This will teach them if they act a fool, if they act wrong, if they do bad, you're gonna go spend. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Make mom mad. She's gonna go get that credit card. Thank you, Charlie. Sprinkle, sprinkle. All right. And then they might and if they when they treat you bad or do something wrong or mess up, they may offer you the credit card so that you can feel better and you won't stay mad at them. You see, you're going to train them to give you the money.